In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add advance payment in Zoho Books. If you need to record a payment that a customer gives you before an invoice is fully created or finalized, Zoho Books makes that process simple. An advance payment helps you keep your records accurate and makes it easier to apply that amount to future invoices later on. In this walkthrough, I'll guide you through where to find the correct option and what information you should pay attention to while entering the payment. To begin, open your browser and go to your Zoho Books account. Make sure you're logged into the correct organization so the payment is recorded in the right place. Once you're inside Zoho Books, take a moment to confirm that you're on the main dashboard and that everything has loaded properly before moving on. Next, go to the Sales section. This area contains all customer-related transactions, including invoices, payments, and contact records. Since an advance payment is tied to a customer, this is the correct place to start. From there, click Customers. You'll now see your customer list, where you can search for and select the specific customer who made the advance payment. It's important to choose the correct customer here because this ensures the payment is attached to the right account and can be used properly later. Once you've opened that customer's profile, look for the New Transaction option. Click on it and then choose Customer Payment. This opens the payment entry screen where you can record the advance amount that has been received. Now, carefully enter the necessary information. This is the most important part of the process because accurate details help keep your books clean and prevent confusion later. Make sure the payment amount is correct. Select the right payment date and choose the proper payment mode. You should also review any reference details or notes fields if they are available, especially if you want to make it easier to identify this advance payment in the future. If your setup includes deposit accounts or other related fields, double-check that the payment is being recorded to the appropriate account. Before saving, review everything one more time. Even small mistakes in the amount, date, or customer selection can create issues when you later apply the payment. Once you're confident all the information is correct, save the transaction. And that's how to add an advance payment in Zoho Books. When entered correctly, this helps you stay organized and makes future invoice matching much smoother.